Joining a community on WhatsApp is a straightforward process that allows you to connect with like-minded individuals or groups sharing similar interests. Now, communities on WhatsApp are often designed for more organized discussions or to bring together a larger number of members around a common cause or hobby or topic. So, the most common way to join is by receiving an invite link from a community admin. This link can be shared via text, email, or other platforms. And once you click on it, WhatsApp will prompt you to confirm your participation. Now, after accepting the invitation, you're going to be added to the community. All right? So, another way to join a community is when an admin directly adds you. So this happens when the admin has your contact details and wants to add you without needing to send a link. So once added, you will be notified about your new membership. And if the community has specific guidelines or rules, these are usually shared upon joining, and it's important to follow them to ensure smooth interactions. Communities can be smaller, focus groups, or larger networks that can also include announcements, shared media, and discussions. So, should you no longer wish to participate, you can leave the community anytime by accessing the group settings and selecting the exit option.